In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable as a database. Whether you're new to Airtable or simply looking to get more organized, this guide will help you get started quickly and efficiently. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Airtable's official website. If you've never visited Airtable before, you'll find that it's a versatile platform designed for building next generation applications with ease. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to sign into your account. If you already have an account, great. Simply click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page and enter your login credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, now's the perfect time to do so. Just follow the easy sign up process when you click the sign up option. Once you're successfully logged in, you will land on the Airtable home screen. This is your central hub where you can manage all your databases and projects. Now, our next objective is to create a workspace, or base as it's called in Airtable. Think of a base as a repository where all your tables and data will be stored. It's a convenient way to keep everything organized and accessible. On your home screen, look for the option that says base and click on it. This will guide you to the workspace where you'll begin setting up your database. After selecting your base, you'll be prompted with options for adding tables. Start by clicking on the Add or Import Table button. Here you have the flexibility to either create a new table from scratch or import data from existing files or services. This feature is particularly useful if you have data stored elsewhere, such as in Excel spreadsheets or Google Sheets, and want to centralize everything within Airtable for better management. Now let's move on to the next feature, importing data from other sources. Once you've selected the option to add a table, you'll see the Add from Other Sources button. This allows you to bring in data from a variety of applications and formats. With just a few clicks, you can seamlessly import what you need and have it accessible right in Airtable, making it a powerful tool for collaborative projects and comprehensive data tracking. And that's it, you're now set up and ready to start using Airtable as your go-to database. Remember, the beauty of Airtable is in its flexibility and ease of use, so feel free to explore and customize your spaces to fit your unique needs. With these steps, all your information is now organized and at your fingertips, making data management simpler than ever. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.